Jed Official Beats.
Hey YouTube, hey y'all, it's Brit to the Rat, and I'm back with another video. Okay, anyways, before we get, excuse my lashes, I'm trying to take them off, but in all the comments, I'm tired, I got a headache, yeah. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video, okay? So yeah, today's video consists of me getting a radio installed. So basically, let me show you. This is my radio now. You know, little radio, CD, USB, aux. You know, this is what it looks like now. But in a couple of hours, it's not gonna look like that. So my appointment is at 10. It's 9:08. So I'm about to head up to Best Buy so they can install my radio. I'm gonna show y'all after what it looked like. Basically, I'm just getting like an upgrade radio because I want an upgrade radio. I don't want this anymore. So yeah, what am I about to say? They say it take up to like 2 hours. I'm getting off task. I'm daydreaming right now. Okay. They say it take up to 2 hours. So they should be done probably like 12, 1 o'clock, somewhere around there. I got everything I need over there, everything in that bag. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all either when I get to the place or like after those 2 hours is up, and then I go get my card, and then I'll show y'all the new update, the new upgrade. Okay, y'all, I'm just I don't even know what to say. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back up. I gotta get myself together. Y'all look a hot mess. Excuse the hot mess, but I'm here. I made it. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for it to open. It's not even open. Like, how you gonna tell somebody to make an appointment at 10? And then at that you say be there early, and they're not even open. Not even open. Not like, how you tell somebody to be here early and you're not open? Like, I could have still been laying down. Oh, my finger. Not a hangnail, y'all. I hate hangnails. But yeah, we just waiting. My mom's back there. If y'all can see her car, she's back there. Cause I'm not about to sit here for 2 hours and wait. But yeah, she had followed me, so she could take me back home. They need to open up because I'm tired. I'm ready to back down in Miami. Okay. Period. But anyways, I think I said this already. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your girl's channel. Okay, we gotta hit 1K by the end of this year. We're trying to get monetized. Okay, we're trying to get monetized. What the heck is that? I think I'm gonna post my birthday vlog before this one. Before I post this video. I just know that vlog I'm gonna have a whole lot of editing to do. I really don't like editing, but that's why I'm trying to think if I should drop this video first or should I drop this one or should I drop my birthday vlog? We're gonna see. We're gonna see what it's looking like. Well, I hate when people question me. Like, do not fucking question me. What you doing? Like, what you was doing last night? What's this? What's this? Like, why are you questioning me so much? Like, right now it's 9:40. So I'm told us to be here early, and it's not even open. I don't even think the store is open. Or probably the people that's supposed to be installing the stuff is not even here. But I'm still stuck on why are you telling people to be here early and y'all not even on time? Like, y'all paying me a late fee. Y'all gonna pay me a late fee. My phone always trying to take me home. My phone always trying to take me home, y'all. Every time I get in the car, like, it tell me like, oh, it's this many minutes to get home, traffic is light, this and this and that. Like, my phone is always trying to take me home. Always trying to take me home. Like, gosh, I can't be out. But yeah, and I was also thinking about getting a camera mount so I could stick it in the window so I don't have to like sit y'all down on a dashboard, because my camera be sliding when I be driving and stuff. So I don't know if I wanted to look in Best Buy or Amazon. Like, I don't know where to get one at. Like, I know Best Buy's gonna cost an arm and a leg. Probably not. Probably like $60. But then on Amazon, they be having them for cheaper. But it's like, I want it to last long. Like, I don't want to get one off Amazon, then like it just stops sticking. Cause I'm really upset. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Cause this is too much. y'all. I look a hot mess. I done been home, took a nap. That's why my hair look like this. I look crazy. But excuse me, you know, us ladies have our rough days, okay? Especially me. Baby, I will take comfortable over anything. But okay, so I'm back and I got the radio put in. And then yeah, it come with this cord, like if I want to charge my phone or something. And then I got like this little mic, like if I'm on the phone or something, yeah, and they'll be able to hear you, I guess. But let me tell y'all, right now, look how messy. I'm at Walmart because I need to get some stuff. But let me show y'all how my car got some meat in it. My car got some good bass. Look, I'm finna show y'all. I'm about to show y'all how I do.
Energy made this one. Stand for the summer.
Can't get copyrighted. But yeah, baby, yeah, that's one thing I really like about it, because I like loud music. My other radio only went to like 40. This will go to 50, and it's like it's a Boss radio, so it's loud. I'm in here bumping, like car shaking type. Okay. But I'm gonna get back to y'all after I come out this store looking a hot mess.
Jed Official Beats.